Welcome to a future where robots are no longer just tools. They're companions, friends, and even a little or a whole lot more than that. These kind of robots now come in all shapes, sizes, and even genders. Let's take a tour of this new world of robotic pleasure. But these aren't your typical clunky robots. Meet Erica, the world's cutest and most talented robot. She's here to fulfill your wildest wishes. She's not just a robot, she's a masterpiece. But Erica's creator, Hiroshi Ishiguro, didn't get it right on the first try. Guess what his first project was? A robot version of himself. That's right, he made his own twin. But let's be real for a minute. Who wants a robot that looks exactly like them? Hiroshi probably realized that too. So he decided to create someone the whole world could fall in love with, Erica. With perfect features, a soft voice, and the ability to hold real conversations, she's like that dream companion that's impossible to find in a human. And if you're wondering whether a robot can be beautiful, Erica is here to answer that with a renowned title as the world's cutest robot. She's not just a pretty face, she's smart, responsive, and listens better than most humans. With her, you'll never get interrupted mid-sentence, and she'll even remember what you said. Bonus points right there. But let's not leave anyone out. With the rise of gender equality and endless ways people identify themselves today, the robot world has expanded too. We're seeing more male robots popping up, and not just for chores. These guys are here to offer the same companionship as Erica, and some even have more custom options. Want a robot that looks like an anime character? Done. Or maybe a fantasy-themed alien robot to keep things interesting? Yep, there is something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a companion who can hold a deep conversation, perform household chores, or just be the best listener, these beauties are ready to meet your needs. But let's get this straight. This futuristic love doesn't come cheap. So before you start dreaming of your robot soulmate, just remember, only if your wallet agrees. Prices range from a modest $6,000 to a staggering $50,000 or even more if you customize the specs. It's like shopping for a luxury car, but instead of a ride, you're getting a companion that won't hug the remote. Erica might be at the top, but she's not alone in this world. Other robots like Harmony, Samantha, and Roxy are offering similar companionship. Harmony, for instance, can carry on deep conversations, remember your preferences, and basically be the perfect partner. Kind of like your phone's assistant, but with way better social skills. Then there is humanoid robots like Samantha and Roxy, designed to be responsive, engaging, always available, and well, down for anything. Whether it's a casual chat or something more, these robots are designed to make life a little easier. And definitely a lot more fun. If you've ever seen the movie Wife-like, you know that while robots can look incredibly real, sometimes their movements give them away. It's like seeing someone dance with two left feet. In real life though, robots like Erica are getting closer to seamless human interaction. But hey, no one's perfect. First, there is the stiffness. You can tell they're robotic when they move. Even with all the advanced tech, it's hard to fully replicate the fluidity of human motion. They try, but you can spot the little jerks and pauses. Erica and robots like Harmony are working on fixing this. Then there is the Uncanny Valley, that eerie feeling you get when something looks almost human but not quite. In Wife-like, the robots are just realistic enough to make you feel uncomfortable, like you're talking to a mannequin that suddenly blinks. You'll also see how they handle simple tasks, like making a cup of coffee or opening a door. In movies it looks smooth, but in real life, robots are still learning. Sometimes they'll nail it, sometimes not so much. But hey, it's all part of the charm, right? Conversations can also feel a bit off. In Wife-like, you notice these awkward pauses or moments when the robot seems like it's thinking too long. Erica though has improved on this. She's faster and more natural at responding. Still, Wife-like gives us a glimpse of where robots like Erica and Harmony are headed, getting closer and closer to seamless human interaction, but with the occasional glitch that reminds us they're not quite there yet. So there you have it. Robots like Erika, Harmony, and even anime or fantasy themed bots are taking the world by storm. They're cute, smart, and they're here to stay. Whether you're looking for the world's cutest robot, a supermodel companion, or something a little out of this galaxy, there's a bot for you. Would you hang out with a robot like Erika? Or maybe a robot that looks like your favorite cartoon character? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like for more cool content about the future of robots.
じゃあね。バイバイ。